Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. If you're like me, you enjoy having greenery in your house. The sight of lush, vibrant plants can really brighten up any room and create a welcoming atmosphere, without having to deal with the upkeep that comes with actual plants. Watering, pruning, and ensuring they get enough sunlight can be quite a hassle. For this reason, fake plants are ideal. They offer the same aesthetic appeal without the constant maintenance. But even artificial plants require occasional care. Just like any other item in your home, they can gather dust and lose their charm. Over time, dust, filth, and domestic dirt can erode their beauty. This can make them look dull and uninviting. Regular cleaning is essential to maintain their appearance and ensure they continue to enhance your living space. Dusty plants can also contribute to indoor air quality issues, as dust particles can become airborne and affect those with allergies or respiratory conditions. Today we'll show you a preferred method for cleaning artificial plants with tension rods. This method is both effective and easy to follow. This technique is incredibly simple, efficient, and, best of all, no specialized equipment is needed. Let's get started. You'll be amazed at how quickly your plants can look brand new. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content to make your life easier and more beautiful. First off, you'll need a couple of tension rods or other poles that will reach across the bathtub, some double-sided tape, or something sticky to secure the rods, soft microfiber cloths to wipe down the leaves without causing damage, a soft bristles brush like a makeup brush for intricate places, and a gentle cleaning solution, such as a half teaspoon of dish soap mixed with water, to effectively clean the dust and grime from your artificial plants. 1. Set up your space. Let's establish the scene before we begin. We'll be cleaning these plants over the bathtub, so head to your bathroom to keep the mess contained and make rinsing easier. Make sure to organize your workspace by having all your cleaning tools within reach. Arrange your brushes, cloths, and spray bottles neatly. This will save you time and make the process smoother. Step 2. Set up your tension rods. In my opinion, the best way to clean fake plants is to suspend them over your bathtub. This method allows for easy access and ensures that water doesn't spill everywhere. I like to use tension rods for this job. They are versatile and can be adjusted to fit any size bathtub. You could also use a bath tray or any type of pole that fits across your bath. Just make sure it's sturdy enough to hold the weight of the plants. We're basically creating a little platform to hold the plants in place so we can easily spray and rinse them. This setup makes the cleaning process much more efficient. Begin by laying 2 or more tension rods over your bathtub's top. The number of rods you need will depend on the size and number of plants you have. To keep them from slipping, secure them with double-sided tape or detachable putty. This ensures that the rods or tray stay in place while you're working. This step is optional, but it can be quite beneficial. It adds an extra layer of stability, especially if you have heavier plants. Make sure the rods are sufficiently apart to hold your plant's bases or stems without allowing them to fall through. Proper spacing is key to ensuring that the plants are securely held in place. If you find that things are slipping, try readjusting them to ensure they are tightly secured. Sometimes, a slight twist can make a big difference. Adding extra tape or putty can also help. Make sure to press firmly to create a strong bond. Test the stability by gently shaking the rods. If they move too much, reinforce them further until they are stable. Once everything is secure, you can confidently place your artificial plants on the rods or tray. This setup will make the cleaning process a breeze. Alright, let's set up the plants. Make sure your imitation plants are evenly distributed throughout the tension rods. To ensure optimal cleaning, arrange the plants so that each leaf and petal is exposed. This will allow the cleaning solution to reach all surfaces. In order to spray them down without them toppling over, you should make sure they are solid enough. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Now, it's time to mist with water and dish soap. In a spray bottle, mix 1 part water and a few drops of Dawn dish soap. Shake the bottle well to ensure the soap is fully mixed. This mixture works wonders at getting rid of dust and dirt without damaging your plants. Nothing special is needed. Water and Dawn dish soap will work just fine. After misting, use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe down the leaves. This helps to remove any remaining dust and soap residue. Alternatively, you can use a mixture of water and white vinegar. Mix equal parts in a spray bottle and follow the same steps. The vinegar solution is also effective at cleaning and leaves a fresh scent. After the soapy concoction has thoroughly coated the plants, rinse them well with your handheld shower head or a watering can if you have one. Make sure you're getting all the soap off. Rinse them until the water runs clear and there's no more soapy residue left. For stubborn dirt, use a soft brush to gently scrub the leaves and petals. A toothbrush can be very effective for cleaning intricate parts and small areas. After rinsing, wipe the plants with a microfiber cloth to remove any remaining dirt and to dry them. Inspect the plants for any missed spots and repeat the process if necessary. You'll be amazed at how much fresher and cleaner they look already. Now just let the plants drip dry, leave them balanced on the tension rods over the tub, and allow any excess water to run off. Depending on the size and material of the plants, this may take anywhere from an hour to a few hours. You can use a fan on low speed to help them dry a little faster. Placing the plants in a well-ventilated room with open windows can also speed up the drying process. Gently patting the plants with a towel can help remove excess water, but be careful not to damage the leaves. Make sure to check the plants thoroughly to ensure they are completely dry before putting them back on display. They will look like new again. Another method is to pour hot water and your preferred dish soap into the sink. Any dish soap will do for this. Use one that has a pleasant scent so the plants smell nice when you're done. The warm water helps to loosen any dirt and grime that may have settled on the leaves and stems of your artificial plants. You can also use an unscented dish soap and add essential oil until the scent is to your liking. Fresh, green scents, like those of apples, parsley, or lemon, are just a few. Essential oils not only add a pleasant aroma, but can also have antibacterial properties, making your cleaning solution even more effective. Dish soap is ideal for cleaning artificial plants because it removes the dust, oil, and grime. The soap breaks down the dirt, while the water washes it away, leaving your plants looking fresh and new. If you don't want your clay pots to soak up water, just don't submerge them. Wipe the lower leaves between your fingers after submerging the top portion of the plant. This method ensures that the base of the plant remains dry while the leaves get a thorough cleaning. In order to disperse any dust that had accumulated on the moss base, you can also give it a quick rub with moist fingers. This step is crucial for maintaining the overall appearance of your artificial plant, as the moss base can often collect a lot of dust. Next step, clean, dry, and fix artificial plants. Rinse thoroughly with warm water after cleaning, then let them drip dry. Make sure to shake off any excess water to speed up the drying process. You can also use a soft cloth to gently pat the leaves dry, or a fan on low speed if you're in a hurry. It wouldn't be an issue if any of the greenery dropped off during the process. Simply locate the small stem that supported it and reattach it using hot glue. This quick fix ensures that your plant looks as good as new, even if a few leaves come loose. You may now decorate with your new-looking faux plants. Clean plants not only look better but also contribute to a healthier indoor environment. Fake plants are a fantastic method to change your home's decor and improve your mood. They require minimal maintenance and can be placed in any room to add a touch of greenery. Adding greenery to your house will undoubtedly ward off winter and welcome spring. Even if you don't have a green thumb, artificial plants can bring the beauty of nature indoors without the hassle of regular care. Let's summarize the steps for cleaning your artificial plants. First, fill your sink with hot water and dish soap. Next, add essential oils if desired. Submerge the top portion of the plant and wipe the lower leaves. Rinse with hot water and let them drip dry. Finally, reattach any loose greenery with hot glue. For ongoing maintenance, dust your plants regularly with a soft cloth or a feather duster. Avoid placing them in direct sunlight to prevent fading. Every few months, give them a more thorough cleaning using the soap and water method. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more great tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content to make your home beautiful and inviting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.